Yo guys, it's your boy Daniel Everything here, and today we'll be playing Door E.io. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe. Let's get right into the video. God, Danilo Everything. Play. If you don't know what Door.io is, it's basically like Scribble, but it tells you like how many points it's worth if people get it correct. And it's way more different. See, it's a bicycle. How do you spell it? Isn't it bicycle? Isn't it B? Isn't it BYIC? No, isn't it BYICO? How do you spell bicycle? I don't know how to spell it. I have 35 seconds, guys, so let's search it up. How to spell bicycle. Bicycle. Oh.
Here are some listings for bicycle within 7 miles.
BICYCLE. Watermelon is choosing the word. Okay. Guys, if you don't know, I'm only in 4th grade, but now I'm in 5th grade, so I don't know how to spell stuff that good. Look, I just turned 5th grade this year, so some words, if you're gonna unsubscribe, don't subscribe back, because I don't know how to spell stuff like mug, water, cup, mug, jug. Just have to wait. Ice. It's ice. See, look, as soon as you guess it, it shows up here. This music isn't copyrighted, so I can play it out loud. Thank you for 61 subscribers. I really appreciate it. What is this? What the heck? I don't know what this is. Thunder. What is? Oh, Earth. Globe. How do you say it? How do you spell it? It's GLODE. What? GLOBE. Oh my god, how do I not how to spell globe? I was gonna search it up. True Mobile, because you could, there's a speaker and you could just type. You could just say the word. I guessed it. I guessed it first. Okay, should I? Dart. Okay, let's do dart. Okay. Oh my god. A R Right here. What is this? Dark. Guess dark. I suck. I suck at drawing. I suck at drawing. I got 6th place, but who cares?
I don't even know who I am anymore. I've just been forcing this.
Okay. This video is not going to be edited too. Ooh, just a private room. Or Royale. Let's do Royale. Oh, I see. Okay, let's go back now. Oh no, I have to type in door. This game is kind of fun. If you want to download it, it's called Door.io. Sogaman played it. Jelly played it. I'm not even sure Jelly played it. I know Sogaman played it before. It's just like Scribble. I'm on the same round with these people. Jelly Star has left. I guessed it. Dawn is choosing the word. Okay, what is he drawing? Fire! No. Campfire. Fire.
Yeah, miss you. I'm trying to feed the lasagna tonight.
This is kind of like bad though. Oh my god, this is. What is this? T-Rex, guys. Okay, downvote. What the heck is this, guys? If the comments are on, comment down below what do you think each one is. Dinosaur feet. And there is gonna be the next video that's coming out is the surprising my family, showing my family my new haircuts. So I'm gonna show you some of my family members in the video. Like I can name one. No, some of my friends and family. So one of them is gonna be Elijah. One of them is gonna be Maya. Firefly. You try to draw fire plus fly, so that equals firefly. That's an elephant. That's, oh, of course. Giraffe. How do you spell giraffe? Giraffe. Okay. G-I-R.
The giraffe is an African artiodactyl mammal,
oh my.
the tallest
Of course I'm not even.
animal and the largest ruminant.
G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Okay, guessed it. Oh my god. Okay. Hey god, this thing is definitely gonna be so copyrighted. Who cares though? Oh, giraffe. I looked up how to spell giraffe. Craft swing pushing. Let's do swing. How about we do this? How do you erase? How about if I draw a wild race? This I suck at drawing. I just made it inside the trash can with my basketball. I don't have my webcam on because I don't know for a reason. Oh! If this video gets to 5 likes, I'll do a trick shot video with my Amaro's little basketball hoop or my big basketball hoop. It's gonna be a trick shot video. I'm gonna be hitting trick shots only. Ooh, last one to stop dribbling. No, it has to be not between quarantine. What is this? I don't know what SPF stands for. Okay, guys. I love ending my video like this. Go into Roblox and just hit no. Okay, guys. Oh, SpongeBob SquarePants. I can't spell it. I'm not spelling it. Okay, guys, this is your boy out. Peace.